Hi, my name's Grant Davis, and I am the shipping manager here at Airframe Components. And today I'm going to show you how to remove your wing from the crate and also put your wing back into the crate before shipping. Your first step is you're going to want to take the ends off of your wing crate once you receive it. And you can do that by simply unscrewing both ends using a standard Phillips screwdriver. The next step would be on a Cessna wing crate. You'll have two attach points at your inboard end spar. One here and then one lower. And you'll want to remove the bolts from the bracket that attach to the wing first. Once you have both of the brackets removed from the wing, you can go ahead and remove these cross braces by the lag bolts on either side. And that would be the next step. Once the lag bolts are removed, you should be able to just slide these brackets right out. Now I'll show you what a Piper spar looks like being removed from a crate. And this is a Piper spar. This is held in by two brackets that are placed on a shelf in here. And the way you get this one apart is you just remove the lag bolts that are on both sides of the wing crate, and you'll pull this piece off, and then you can remove the lag bolts, and this part will come off as well. Once you have the brackets removed, you're ready to pull the wing out of the crate. The first thing you want to do is remove any extra packing foam from either end of the crate. And once you do that, this is a two-person job. You want to get another guy, one on either end of the crate, and you will walk the wing through with the inboard edge first.
that's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for future videos from Airframe Components.